Yes guys, Jack&Liam vlogs here today. We're back with another vlog. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna go quick into it today. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you the goal that's scored. I don't know if it's good, but I think, oh yes, I know this one. It's a really good goal, I think. Look, I just headed it there. It's my career mode with Ivan Cavallero. It was just. So yeah, guys. This is gonna be a tradition for me. Every vlog, I will show you a game clip record of a goal that I scored. Yeah, and now we're just gonna unbox something. So yeah, let's go. Here we go again. Even more unboxing. Yeah, you working on yourself. I think that's yours.
Oh, it's lighting up.
That's yours.
This is like £1.99.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Fidget.
Oh, that looks mad. How does it
Look.
Let me just get it out. It's called like a hamster.
Yeah. Now while he's doing that, I'm gonna do this thing. Look at that. That's so cool. I think that's mine. Yeah, I think. Yeah, but you've got to guys, it's the red one. Look at this. If I can open it out. It's like a standard red one. It's nice. All we do now is unboxing of hopefully tomorrow we have even more unboxing. Or the day after, hopefully. Because we've ordered some more, haven't we? Yep. Well, Jack's ordered 2, I've ordered 1. You've got another one coming that you ordered from a bit ago. And you've got another 2 coming, don't you? Maybe look at that. This is like really light. Still going? Guys, we love unboxing at the moment. So Jack, what are we doing now?
I'm going to town.
Goodbye. You'll be vlogging on your own, won't you? So I'll be vlogging here. So then we'll keep on swapping over to Jack and me. So I was gonna actually take today's game. No. I don't know. But yeah, you're going to town. And yeah. I'm gonna show you what state my career mode of Cavallero is at the moment. So guys, I am showing you my Ivan Cavallero career mode. So I'm gonna go for score. So I'm gonna go to score report now. Don't know if it's in me. Oh, 74 rated. Alright. My sprint speed is 87, that's going up by 1, jumping is going up by 1, and crossing is going up by 1. Earlier on in the video you saw that goal that I scored. That was a mad header. It was just a mad one. I'm on 10 goals at the moment, so yeah, not too shabby for 11 mid. It's good. Alright guys, I am off to the shops now. Hopefully Jack will be doing some vlogs at where he's gone down. So yeah, hopefully he will be vlogging, and yeah, we'll keep on swapping between me and him.
And you put filters on it, you can do it on your social Hello.
Did you win the medium soft drink?
Oh yeah? I'm a winner. Alright.
I've won a medium soft drink.
The winner.
Just came up from the shops on the toy boy. I'm just going to show you my current collection for my fidget spinners.
So I've got something, haven't I, Alex?
Oh yes.
Don't tell them.
Oh, you're going to unbox it later? Well, you don't want to unbox it at all.
Oh, you had a sneak peek there. Yeah.
You need to just get...
So guys, I've got this one, which is like just a standard red one, which I got today. Not too shabby, but yeah, I like this like one because it's standard and it's one of my favourite colours, as you can see there. My favourite colour. So yeah, I like this one. It's quite like, it's just like standard. It feels like more like comfy because it's like, not comfy, I wouldn't say comfy. It feels more like it feels better, if that is a word that I should be using. But yeah, because it's like this part here, it makes it better, and it goes smooth. So yeah, that's my first. Next one, I've got this like glow in the dark one. It's more like a rough one when you spin it. Obviously yellow glow in the dark. It's cool, and yeah, yellow. It's quite big as well. Yeah, it's quite big, and yeah, move on to the next one. Next one is my favourite one so far. It's two-sided rose gold, which I've already showed you a million times. But yeah, I'm ordering another one, which is an oil slick one, which I've already told you, but I'm getting excited about it. And yeah, so yeah, basically, this one, it's more like it's way fast. Well, it stays on for like quite long. I like the pattern as well. So yeah, there is my, what is it called? Fidget spinner collection.
More things to unbox.
No! For the back.
Alright, so we're back with more flipping fidget spinner things.
Yeah, as you
Jack
saw
just got them.
where we were filming. So yeah, I've got these two pops. I've got Joker. You can see
Batman unboxing.
That's nice, Jack. Now, I want to unbox this blue one, which Jack kindly got for me, thank you.
And I got this yellow one. Me and Alex did.
Alex got his first fidget spinner. I don't know how to.
So yeah, let's unbox it.
Oh, you unbox yours.
So just unbox it and look, there you go.
Oh.
Now where you go.
Oh, I ain't confused film me.
Yeah, here's Liam's. We haven't seen one of them ones. Yeah, it was in the back, it's not included. Oh, he's opened it. Got it out. Get it out, come on.
Oh my gosh, that feels so nice.
The new film one, let me feel it. Film.
Just filming it.
Oh, that feels nice. I should have got a red one.
Although it's just like a more expensive red one.
And this is like a normal one.
No, it's a more expensive one.
So yeah, thank you, Jack, for that.
You're welcome.
Right, starting a live stream now. Go watch it now.
Yes guys, thanks for watching that video. Don't know what Liam's doing, he's gone somewhere, I don't know where he's gone. But if you like this video, go down there, click like, comment if you want to see something, subscribe right here, yeah, right there, right in that bar my nobby, and watch previous video there. Please do, and like it, and I don't have anything else to say really. I think I've just brought my camera.